Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone. Can I remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone without computer? Yes, of course. Tap Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. Tap Beta Updates. Then make sure the Beta Updates is off. This way can only work if you have enabled the Beta Update in your iPhone. How to remove iOS 18 beta without iTunes in one click. Open iSunshare.com and find iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. This software enables you to upgrade and downgrade the iOS version easily. Download and install it on your computer. Open the software and select iOS Upgrade, Downgrade option. Click the Downgrade iOS option. OK, now connect the iPhone to your computer. When the iPhone is successfully connected, click the Next button to continue. Here, you can choose the official iOS public version to download. Click the Start button. You should know that this operation will erase all data on your iPhone. Hit the OK button to continue. Minutes later, after the iPhone is set up again, you can tap Settings to check the iOS version. How to remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone with iTunes. Open iTunes. Locate your iPhone, then click Restore iPhone option in the right panel. In the pop-out box, hit the Restore button. OK, your iPhone is restored to factory settings, and go back to the official released iOS version. That's all for the video.